Ladies and gentlemen, the Key Lime Margarita. Key Lime. Okay, any of y'all been to Key West? Come behind with some tequila. Ice tequila in our blender. A bit of triple sec. Okay. Some sweet and sour. And this, Kiki, do you love me? Okay, this Kiki liqueur, right? It's a key lime liqueur blend, and it's creamy, and people don't drink these often, so if you see one of those at a bar, don't go, hey, make me a key lime margarita, because I've probably been there 100 years, so just be aware of that, okay? So we put some blue sugar on the rim, beautiful, get it around, and now we pour in our nice blended mix. Look at that deliciousness, all right? Kiki, do you love me? Okay.